So, a very quick one. This has been popping up all over social media. It's whipped coffee or Dalgona coffee. Comes from originally South Korea, I believe. Tried it once before and it was absolutely delicious. It's really simple. All you need is some instant coffee. Two tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then we're going to whisk that. So after about 5 minutes of mixing, you make a mess, so we'll just clean that up. And you end up with this nice thick mixture. Now the idea with that is to put it onto hot or cold milk. You could even do almond milk, soy milk, any kind of milk you fancy. You could even make
orange mocha frappuccino!
But for now, I'm going to add a couple of ice cubes. Because it's quarantine time and the only thing we can do at the moment is eat or drink, I'm going to add some Baileys. To that I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It's up with milk. And then we spoon this on top. The only downside to this is, as pretty as it looks, you have to then demolish your work, mix it all together. And then we give that a taste. That's good. That made up for the burger buns. See you next time.